Hello everyone. The today topic is about how we can edit the record from the database and then update. So I already told you that why we are going to use Eloquent. In the previous videos I explained that what is the difference between query builder and Eloquent. So let's start with the Eloquent model. So we are interacting with the post. So let's find first post, right? First post and save them into the variable. So let me save them into a variable, right? And first check that post is exist or not. So save this one and hit refresh. So now it's returning the first post. And how can I edit this post, right? So if I want to edit something like post title and stuff like that, so how can I do this? So let me make variable like title, and I need to get this post title post, and I can get this post title like this, right? So let me return this title here. Title should be title, right? Save this one and return. Now it's turning Laravel. It means that we are getting the title of the post, right? So this is the object of one post, and we are getting from this object title and saving them into variable and turning it to back. Now I want to change this title. So how can I do this? So let's put here post object and type title, and I want to change this title to Laravel new title, right? And then we need to save this title, right? Save this one and give it refresh, and yes, it's nothing returning. So let's go to the database. Let me open it there and go to the post table, and yes, our Laravel new title is saved, right? And if I want to Laravel change once again, save this one and give it refresh, and yes, it's saved. So let's give it refresh and check, and yes, it's again changed, right? I misspelled this change, that's why it's there. So we successfully updated the title. So we can also change the description and stuff like that. If I want to change the post to description like this, and type new description of post, and save this one, and then I need to call this save, and after this save I want to return something like success. So save this one and give it refresh. So it's now returning success. It means that it successfully update these two fields, right? Title and description. So it's change this title and description too. So great, we successfully updated our title and description. So you can change any column which you want. You can also fetch the information like this, where title equal Laravel, and you want to, here you need to first return only one object. Why you need to return one object? Because if there is multiple posts, so we need to put a for each loop here, and then we need to change the title of this post. So that's why I put the first here, and now I'm getting this post, and where the Laravel will exist in the second post, it will be changed from this one to new one. So let's save this one, give it refresh and check it, and yes, it's returned success. It will also change with the first one as first one. So it's reloading, and yes, now it's also changed from this to this new one. Now let's move to the second step, how we can update our record. So let's make it a comment and go here and find first post, right? So it should be a post model, and I want to find or fail, so this will also catch the exception. So I want to find post 1, and then I want to save them into one object, right? So now it's saved in the post variable. Let's save this one and go here and refresh this, and yes, now we are returning id 1 post, right? I want to update it with the new method. How can I update this? So let's go here and type this post object, and then here I need to call update method, right? And this update accept an array, right? So the first parameter would be title, right? And I want to name this it should be updated Laravel title, right? And then I want to add a description, and you can add add the column which you want. If you want to skip some column, you can, right? And let's save this one and give it refresh, so it will return 1 or 0. Oh, it's not returning. So we need to manually handle it that our post is saved or not. So it's this successfully updated the Laravel title. Great. So how we can update multiple posts? So let's go here and type description, and description should be new description, right? And then I need to put this is publish, right? And this is publish, and this would be false, right? And status should be also false. Save this one, and let me return here a message like saved. Save this one and give it refresh and check it. Yes, it's saved. And let me check that first one. So yes, it's changed the status from 1 to 0, and this publish is also 0, new description, and everything is updated. So you can update your post by finding it, and then you can get this in the object, and then you can call this update method on a object, right? So this is the way. These are the two ways. First one is this: you can get the object and you can manually manipulate only one property, and here is the way you can put them into the array and update everything. So that's it for this video, and stay connected for more updates. Bye bye.